I'm retired, so what do I do all day? So today I'll be making a key bowl. I needed a bowl for my family to leave their keys in. I wanted to make this from different woods, and this is the first time that I've tried to inlay text. I hope you enjoy the video. So that's my key bowl, made from offcuts and imagination. I hope you like it. If you want to see some more CNC and wood turning wizardry, then check out my channel. So what did I learn from making this bowl? Well, the text had to be designed back to front in VCarve, so it took a bit of thought, but it came out quite well in the end. I do like the different woods, but I think the yew is a little bit light, as it doesn't stand out as well as the walnut and the laburnum. And it was good to use offcuts. You never know what you can find in either the firewood pile or the workshop offcut bin. I hope that you like this bowl. It was fun to make, and as ever, I learned some lessons. I really appreciate any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching. So now you know a bit more of what I do all day. Like and subscribe to find out some more.